Before any candidate can sit for a DGCA examination or log flight history in India, they must first secure a unique flight crew computer number. This identifier tracks your entire journey from trainee to commercial pilot. Because the DGCA enforces strict data standards, many applications are rejected on the first attempt. This guide will walk you through the registration process on the Pariksha portal to ensure your first submission is successful. You must meet specific prerequisites before opening the portal. Applicants must be at least 16 years old and have passed 10+2 with physics and mathematics. You will also need an active Indian mobile number and your original academic mark sheets ready for scanning. Missing even one of these requirements or failing to follow the upload protocols can stall your training before you ever reach the flight line. Start by preparing your photograph and signature files. The photo must be 45 by 35 millimeters, face occupying 70% on a white background. Your signature must be 20 by 45 millimeters, and both must be in JPEG or JPG format. Academic documents, like mark sheets, must be uploaded exclusively as PDF files to avoid automatic rejection. Legibility is the most common point of failure. Every stamp, signature, and certificate number must be clearly readable. If a document is blurred, cropped, or poorly lit, the examining officer will discard the application. For all new candidates, the DGCA requires a Board Verification Certificate, or BVC. This is an official document from your education board verifying the authenticity of your 10th and 12th grade marks. The BVC must be handled with a specific protocol. It must be emailed directly from the official board to the CEO of the DGCA, or submitted as a physical original. The DGCA does not accept colored photocopies of this certificate. These formatting and verification steps are the first filters in the process. If your files don't meet these mechanical standards, your actual qualifications will never be reviewed. Once your documents are ready, go to pariksha.dgca.gov.in and select the New Candidate pathway to begin your registration. You will be asked to fill out an initial registration form with your primary contact details to set up your profile. Pay close attention to your inbox after clicking Submit. The system will send an activation link to your registered email address that is highly time-sensitive. This link expires in exactly 24 hours. If you fail to click it within that window, your registration is voided, and you must start the entire process again. Completing this step immediately allows you to move into the detailed application phase without being forced into a loop of re-registration. After activating your account, log in to complete the detailed application. Your name, your parents' names, and your date of birth must match your Class X mark sheet exactly, down to the last character. Basic mismatches, like spelling errors, trigger complete rejection, deleting your application. Blurry PDFs trigger partial rejection, returning to you for email corrections. You get 3 chances to resolve this before the system permanently diverts to a complete rejection. Success in this phase depends entirely on data accuracy. The portal's scrutiny system is designed to identify and reject any discrepancies between your input and your supporting documents. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email containing your official computer number. Your portal login will now change. You will use your allotted number as your user ID, and you must include the P-prefix to access the system. From this dashboard, you can select the specific flight crew examination category you wish to attempt and update your profile as you acquire new licenses. You will also handle payments here through the Bharat Kosh system. Standard exams currently cost 2,500 rupees per paper, while on-demand examinations are 5,000 rupees. This computer number is a permanent credential, housing your entire examination history and result data for as long as you hold a DGCA license. While your application is under review, you can use the temporary ID provided at the start of the process to track the status of the scrutiny through the portal's login page. To summarize, verify that your names match your mark sheet exactly, ensure your file formats are correct, and coordinate your BVC delivery as early as possible. If you encounter technical anomalies during the registration, you can use the Help Desk tab on the portal or contact the DGCA support team by phone during working hours. Navigating the Pariksha portal is the first of many regulatory requirements you will encounter. By following these formatting rules and submission protocols exactly, you ensure that your progress from student to commercial pilot remains on schedule.